Hi guys. Oh my god. Hi guys. Today is Monday and it's been the third day of the film festival running, and I'm still in the middle of trying to figure out how everything works since it's all virtual. But I think yesterday I have been meet some new people through the festival and watch their films. That's really fun, and I've been hearing feedback from people who was watching my film. Thank you so much for checking out my film and being so supportive, by the way. Anyway, today is Monday the 22nd, and we are going to record a virtual red carpet thing, and I'm very nervous about that because it's not nervous in terms of being on camera talking to people. It's more like I have no idea how it works, and I will bring two of my cast to the carpet, so I'm a little scared of things went wrong because it's really hard to communicate with each other if there's internet breakdown or I don't know, some software problem. And this morning I just watched another film from other filmmakers also premiering the film at Cinequest, and now I'm going to go to a thing that called Cinequest Lounge. It's basically a place, a virtual place that all the filmmakers hang out there and kind of social, talking to each other. Let me show you. It's like, it almost feels like a game, and then like you can walk around in this place. It's like meetup place virtually, and then you will have your own cartoon character, and we can meet each other here, and then there's like a little TV screen. You can come here and then it will pop out like trailers here, that trailers that's in this festival. And also there's like a game table. If you get together with different people, you can actually play game with them on the table, video games. And then we also, if I walk towards the people, I can actually, I don't know where they are right now. Well, there's several people online, 10 people online right now. So you can walk towards the people and say hi to them, and then you can see them on this like little screen, and then they can click microphone on the camera, and then you can actually chatting with each other through the camera, which is really cool. So yeah, I have been like talking to people in this way. It's not as anxious as talking to people in an actual party, which I don't know, that makes me more anxious, but in terms of virtual, it's actually kind of fun. Yeah, that's what I was going to share with you. And then today after this, I'm going to get ready to set up my desk and lighting, all that stuff, to get ready for the red carpet Q&A event. And that's about it. I'll see you later. Hi guys, this is so funny talking to you this way. Let's zoom into Nani's face. I'm about to go into a virtual red carpet Zoom meeting to do a 10 minutes Q&A with my cast, and we'll see how it goes. I'm a little nervous, not because that I'm going to do a Q&A. I didn't even prepare any questions or answers. I don't know what's gonna come. I'm more nervous of there will be like internet disruptions, all that stuff happen during the meeting, and if that happens, who is gonna translate for my cast? We just set up everything right now, for now, to make it looking good. I really want to show you. Actually, it's really messy on the other side, but no, it's too messy to show you because we just threw everything on the bed. My reading bed, that the one you know. Anyway, I'm going to go in now. I don't know if I can get some footage. If I can, I will show you later. If I can't, then I'll see you in next YouTube video. Yeah, I'll always see you in the YouTube video. Bye. See you later. Hi guys, I just finished the virtual red carpet thing, and it went well. I think I answered all my questions pretty well, and I liked the answer my actress gave in. The only thing, it was just a little thing that when I was translating for the second question, second answer for my one of my actors, and then after she answered, I start translating, and my screen popped, become my film page and my poster. And for 1 second, I kind of my brain just went blank, and then it was living, and then I just say, oh my god, I forgot everything, or something like that. I just said, oh my god, in the middle of live stream. And then I managed to catch up right after, and trying to translate as much as I can, but I think I left out something that she said. Well, she said pretty good things about me, and I didn't translate that part. I'm trying to remember what she said about me, but I can't remember. Yeah, so right now I'm going to wrap up everything. After that, I'm going to get some dinner, and then I will try to watch one movie when I'm eating dinner, because today in the virtual lounge I met 4 different filmmakers again, and their film trailers all look very interesting, so I'm going to check them out, and so I can discuss with them about their film. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Hi guys, good morning. Today is Tuesday, the 23rd. There's Booker. There's 7 days more left for the film festival. Today I have to go to my day job in the morning, and in the afternoon I'm going to trying to go to the filmmakers lunch a little bit, and then I will go to have my therapy, sit and watch a couple of movies from filmmakers that I met yesterday, and hopefully I can send out some emails to invite other people to watch my film. I have several people that I told them that I will give them the link, and yeah, that's about it. Today's gonna be a busy day, and I was so tired yesterday I didn't even take down the I don't know if you can see the setup, all the setup for the filming from not filming, the Zoom red carpet thing from yesterday, and then booger. And then last night I didn't sleep well. I think I was just too excited because I read message feedback from one of you guys, and it made me cry, and I had to take my time to reply that message because it was so heartwarming. Thank you so much. I couldn't thank you more for not only watching my movie, but gave me such a long heartwarming feedback. And yeah, if you haven't watched the movie already, I think by the time you see this video, it's probably gonna have 3 or 4 days left, so hurry up. And I'm going to start taking you along with me now. Hi guys, I just came back from work and I'm very sleepy. Woma's here. Woma. Woma? Booga? Oh, I think I forgot to feed them this morning. Normally when I came back from work, they wouldn't talk to me, but they're probably hungry. So I'm going to heat up my leftover and I'm going to feed kittens. Reply a couple emails. That's what I'm gonna do right now. So funny, Booger. Hi guys, I just watched half of the movie, had my lunch, and I had therapy, and now I'm going to go to the lunch, the film festival lunch again to do some meetup, and yeah, I'm going to go there with Kathy, my actress, and hopefully we can meet some new friends. You walk towards people, and the screen camera and the video will pop up. This person is offline right now. Hi guys, I just left the festival lounge and now I'm going to start emailing couple of email, scheduling a couple of meeting, and then I'm going to cook dinner. Yeah, I'm a little bit tired. And also very hungry because I don't know why I feel very excited, and then last night I woke up at 3 a.m. in the morning and couldn't fall back to sleep. Just feel like I was asleep, and when I woke up my brain literally was telling me yay. Like I have no idea why it was so exciting. So right now I'm very sleepy. I'm planning on eat with a movie, and then after that I'm going to go to sleep early because I still need to go to work at my day job tomorrow, and hopefully I can get this video out earlier for you. So I'm definitely going to stop recording video tonight. Yeah. Poopy, what are you doing? Hey, that's my KFC. Go away. Hey, Poopy. What's wrong with my computer? Come here. Hi guys. Last night after dinner I went to bed very early because I need to get up, have day job this morning, and for some reason even I slept about 7 hours, I still feel extremely tired. So I worked until I believe 11:30 this morning, came home, and I passed out completely. I still feel tired right now, and it's already 4:40 right now in the afternoon. Part of me feel bad to waste all of this time, but I didn't feel good. I still not feeling completely well, so my body is trying to send me some signal that I need to rest, because I've been keep going for such a long time. I was thinking about why, because I didn't slept enough. Why would I feel so tired? Because I was feeling like really difficult to breathe and don't want to pass out while I was in the work this morning. So I figured it's probably because social. I'm an introvert, and introvert need to recharge by stay home by themselves. But I have been working in the morning that requires social. I have been using small pieces of time keep emailing people that require the part of the brain of socializing. Yeah, and then in the afternoon I have been trying to stay in the lounge, talk to people as much as I can. That also requires social, so all of those together, it's probably too much on my brain. I think that's my theory. Otherwise I wouldn't know why I'm so tired. Yeah, and then so that's what I have to share for this video about film festival, and in the future I will share more information as I go about publicity distribution. Of course, when things not settled, I can't say too much to you, but I'm very happy to share whatever I can, because I know how difficult it is when you don't know where to ask the question and what to do. And a lot of time that don't know what to do is what keep us from doing the work that we really want to do. So I'll just try to share more with you. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and yeah, I'll see you next week, and be patient, be present, stay creative. Bye.